Dear students, very good morning to everybody. Let us today we are discussing the in continuation of the part. This is the NCC, nitrogen containing compounds, or you can say this compound containing nitrogen atom. Here, in the second part in previous lecture we have studied the introduction of nitrogen containing compound, that is nitro compounds, amine, cyanide, and isocyanide and amide. So in this lecture we will see this part of the continuation of nomenclature of nitrogen containing compound. It may be amine or it may be nitro compound. So that is the first example. You can say CH3NH2. CH3NH2 in URC, this is next. What is the common name? What is the common name of such types of the compound? And again what? This is the common name as well as the IUPAC name. IUPAC, International Union Pure Applied Chemistry. What is the IUPAC name of such types of the compound? Here, nomenclature, the first is the common name, another is what a IUPAC name. Here we have such this is the common name, and this is what a IUPAC name. So what is the first example we are discussing? This is what a CH3. Here, CH3NH2. CH3NH2 methylamine, CH3NH2. Second example, CH3CH2, CH3CH2NH2. You see this third one example, CH3CH2CH2NH2. There is a 3 carbon atom. Then we have the branching chain of the hydrocarbons, that is the nitrogen is present on the types of the compound. This is the second types of the carbon atom. 1 number, 2 number and 3 number. So another types example, this is the tertiary types of the compound. So here example number first, second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. So here we are discussing this is the common name. First of all, common name of the compound is what? Common name. So what is the common name of such types of the compound? And again what? In IUPAC name. Here CH3NH2 methylamine, can say this is a methylamine. So I am writing this order another way. This order methylamines. This is a CH3NH2. The name of the compound is what? Methylamine. CH3NH2. It is known as methylamine. So this is what a CH3CH2NH2 ethylamine. Ethylamine. Next one what? N-propylamine. N-propylamine. This is the common name. This is the branching chain of the types of the compound. Is nothing but what? Isopropylamine. Isopropylamine. Next one what? This is the branching chain of the carbon atoms. Carbon 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. This is nothing but what? Tertiary. You can say it is the common name. Tertiary butylamine. Tertiary butylamine. So here in the IUPAC name, this is the methylamine is known as aminomethane. What is that? Aminomethane. So this one ethylamine, the name of ethylamine, it is known as aminoethane. Or you can say ethanamine. So this is what aminomethane, it is known as methanamine. Aminoethane, it is known as what? Ethanamine. Is the name ethanamine. So next one is N-propylamine. It is nothing but propanamine. Propanamine. So which types of the propanamide? We can say this is the 1 propanamine or 1 aminopropane. So this is what a propanamine, or we can say this 1 aminopropane. The name of these types of the compound is what? 1 aminopropane. So isopropylamine, this isopropylamine, you can say this 2 aminopropane. This is the IUPAC name of such types of the compound, 2 aminopropane. Tertiary butylamines, you can say this is the 2 carbon atom. It is present 2 group. One is the CH3 methyl group and another is the NH2 group. So what I can say, this 2 amino, 2 methyl, 2 amino, 2 methyl, that is the remaining carbon atom 3. That's why the parent name of compound is known as propane. The name of the compound is what? 2-amino 2-methyl propane. 2-amino 2-methyl propane. So So the next example we are discussing what next example of this nitrogen containing compound. If we are having this is not only NH2 group but also NO2 group is there. So that is nothing but nitro and nitrite. So that alpha beta unsaturated, we are discussing the next example. This alpha beta unsaturated amine. So that is what alpha beta unsaturated as well as beta gamma unsaturated. So if we are having these types of the compound is what NH2 is here. So this NH2 I can say this first of all this vinyl types of the compound CH2, CH double bond here NH2. The name of the example is known as vinylamine. Though this name of the compound is known as what? Vinylamine. Vinylamine. So the next example CH2 double bond CH and this is the NH2 group in that. So these types of the carbon atom having the sp3 hybridized carbon atom and this one is called sp2 hybridized carbon atom. There is a vinyl compound and allyl compound. The name of these types of the compound is known as a vinyl and allyl. As in the form of common name of such types of the compound is known as what? Allyl. What is the name? Allylamine. इसको कहा जाता है allylamine. So what is the IUPAC name? International Union Pure Applied Chemistry. That is what IUPAC name, or you can say IUPAC. So the number is starting from these types of the carbon atom 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. So what is the name? The vinyl amines, that is the allylamine is known as what? First of all, we can write this is the parent name, prop. 3 carbon atom, that's why we can this propane. These types of the propane, prop what? 2, prop 2 in 1 amine. You can say prop 2 in 1 amine. But in this case, if we are having this is the nitro compound is there. This is what a vinyl. I can say this is what allyl. Sorry. The types of the name is what types of the name of this compound is known as what allyl. इसको क्या कहेंगे? Allyl nitro compound. So this is the allyl nitro compound. You can say this is IUPAC name. It is the most important. We can start this number from here. 1 number, 2 number, and 3 number. So that's why it is the name is nothing but what 3 nitro. 3 nitro propane. What is the types of the propane in nothing but what prop 1 So that is the name of the compound 3 nitro prop 1 3 nitro prop 1 So another name of the example we are discussing the part of this is the cyclic as well as aromatic and heterocyclic compound also. So that is what I said the next example aromatic cyclic example as well as aromatic example of nitrogen containing compound. So when that this is the simple, before that we are taking this is the simple example, this what CH3NH2, we can say what is CH3NO2 is there, CH3CH2, this is nothing but what NO2 group is here and this is the CH3 is what. Another types of the example this CH3CN, again you can say this CN and this one is the CH, okay. Another types of the nitrogen containing compounds, cyanide, isocyanide, you can say this is isocyanide is also here. So that is nothing but what NC is there. So what the name of the compound is nothing but what nitromethyl nitrite. What is the name is what methyl nitrite. So this is what isopropyl. You can say this is the common name isopropyl nitrite. This is what NiTrite, isopropyl nitrite. So the methyl cyanide is here. What is the name? Methyl cyanide. So in order to cancel this another types of the name of this types of the compound is what ethyl nitrite. Methyl cyanide को ethyl nitrile भी कहते हैं. So that is most important name. So methyl cyanide is also known as ethyl nitrite. So this one isopropyl, you can say isopropyl. What is the name? Isopropyl cyanide. So another name is isopropyl. The name of this types of the compound. Isopropyl isocyanide. The name of this is the common name of such types of the compound is what isocyanide, cyanide, nitro compound as well as nitro compound. Here the name of this is the IUPAC name of such types of the compound methyl nitrite is also known as nitromethane. यहाँ पे हम इसको लिख सकते हैं नाइट्रो. So that is the name of the compound is known as nitromethane. There is a one carbon atom. That's why the parent name of the compound is known as what? Nitromethane. So isopropyl nitrites, that is nothing but what? Two can say this is the 2-nitro. क्या बोलेंगे? 2-nitropropane. The name of the example is nothing but what? 2-nitropropane. This is what? Methyl, or can say this is the ethyl nitride. So this is the what? Ethyl nitride. So that is what again you can say this is the numbering 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. 2-cyano-propane. So another example, this is isocyanate is there. So that is the name is what? 2-isocyanopropane. So these are the some example of nomenclature of some example, and then we are discussing the part of the cyclic compound is also here. So the cyclic as well as what? Aromatic compound. यहाँ पे हम कुछ cyclic compound और aromatic compound का example लेते हैं as a part of nomenclature of nitrogen containing compound. Here we are discussing the part of this the nomenclature of nitrogen containing compound, that is a aromatic example is there. If we are having the types of the example is that benzene molecules, you can say this is the NH2 is here. You know these types of the example is nothing but what? Aniline. So aniline you can say this is also known as aminobenzene. Aminobenzene is there. So if we are the substitution is there, here we are having the NH2 group and this is nothing but what? NO2 group is there, and this one is the bromine group is there. So what happened here? So that is what you can say this is the bromine or only simple CS3 group is there. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So the part of this is the IUPAC name. So that is nothing but what? 3-nitro or 3-methyl. 3-nitro, 5-methyl, 3-nitro, 5-methyl. So what is the name? 3-nitro, 5-methyl aniline. You can say this is the word aniline or aminobenzene. Suppose if we are having the types of the compound in order, this is the NH2 group is here and this NO2 group is here. According to the common name, this is nothing but para-nitroaniline. This is the para-nitroaniline. According to the IUPAC name, this is the 4-nitroaniline. So these are the examples and the nomenclature of these types of the compound. This is what? Aromatic compound. What is that? Aromatic compound. So before that, afterward we can see this another types of the example, that is substitution is different is there. For example, if we are having the types of the compound is here, this one of the iodo, this is the halide is there. So this one is a methoxy is here, and here is what we can say this is the NO2 or we can say NH2 group is here. Always discuss the part of this is NO2 or NH2 is here, methoxy and NH2 group. यहाँ पे हम लेंगे NH2 amine group और यहाँ पे लेना है हमको methoxy group. So first of all, what do you most important what this is the numbering. यहाँ पे हमको क्या करना है? पहला numbering देना है. So first carbon atom we should give the preference to which types of the carbon. This NH2 here. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number. So what is the IUPAC name of such types of the compound? So that is what? Methoxy or iodo. So which one? This is alphabetically methoxy. M N A B C D E F G H I J. I पहला आएगा. So as a alphabetically order. So that is what? 4 iodo. Again what? 3 methoxy. 4 iodo, 3 methoxy. क्या बोलेंगे? 4 iodo, 3 methoxy. This remaining part is what is called aniline. You can say this aminobenzene or aniline. So these are 4 iodo, 3 methoxy. 4 iodo, 3 methoxy aniline. So another types of the example we are discussing the part of this one a cyclic compound. This is the more than 1 or more than 2 substituent. More than 1 and more than 2 substituent. If we are having the types of the compound is what this is the 4 member or can say 5 member यहाँ पे हम 5 मेंबर एग्जाम्पल की बात करेंगे. So that is the cyclopentane is there. Whenever the cyclopentane is there and the substitution group is different, for example you can take this one NO2 group is here.